In this video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe to a private server in Roblox. What you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com, log into your account, and from in here click on these stripes, go to inventory, scroll down until you find private servers and click on this one. Now in here you'll be able to see all the private servers, and I'm just going to select this one. Once you're in here, you want to scroll down until you find this right here with your logo and name. Click on this one and press configure. In here you should see the subscription price. Now obviously this one is free, so there's nothing to cancel. But if it says subscription price and like 20 Robux, there will be this kind of button right here that you can simply press on if you want to cancel the subscription. Now keep in mind, when you cancel the subscription, you will have an expiry date, and once you reach that date, you can no longer use the private server. Now if you just want to disable the server, as in no one can join, then you can simply press here, click on this one, and you're gonna disable joining so no one can join the server. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.